In the chilly landscapes of Alaska, there lived a friendly banana named Benny and a cheerful apple named Andy. One frosty morning, they decided to embark on a thrilling adventure, skiing down the snowy slopes of the majestic mountains. Equipped with tiny skis and a sense of excitement, Benny and Andy wiggled their way to the top. The snow-covered peaks stretched before them like a white canvas, promising a day of endless fun. With a gleeful cheer, they zoomed down the hills, leaving a trail of laughter behind. As they swirled and twirled, the icy wind tickled Benny's peel, making him giggle, while Andy's shiny red skin sparkled in the winter sun. They carved graceful turns and performed daring jumps. Turning the mountainside into their snowy playground, their adventure took an unexpected turn when they discovered a hidden ice cave. Inside, they found a friendly polar bear named Pippin, who was delighted to have company. Together, they shared stories and enjoyed hot cocoa, making new friends in the heart of Alaska. As the day drew to a close, Benny and Andy realized that their icy escapade wasn't just about skiing, it was about friendship, laughter, and the magic of unexpected discoveries in the snowy wonderland of Alaska. With hearts as warm as the cocoa they sipped, Benny, Andy, and Pippin embraced the joy of winter adventures, cherishing the memories of their unique day in the frosty paradise.